Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with others. In this video, I am going to show you how to generate random text on Word. Are you ready? So let's get started. Search for Word, just a minute. Word, open the create blank document. Okay, this is the Word Office, and I will show you how to generate random text. Type equal rand parenthesis open and close, then enter, as you can see. And if you want to generate more text, you can write rand. How many paragraph do you want? For example, I want 8 paragraphs. Write and close and enter. As you can see, it generated 8 paragraphs. That's how you can actually generate random text on Word by writing equal and rand. Then yeah, it will generate new text. That's thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you the next video.